Hey guys, it's Jeff at Auto Sauce. We are going to clean some floor mats today. We're going to use our Tartar Sauce Upholstery Spray, and we're going to use our interior scrub brush, and of course a microfiber, and I'll show you how it's done. All right, we got our mat here. It's looks pretty dirty. It's a couple years old. We got our spray. First thing you want to do is vacuum the mat off, which we did already. So now I'm just going to spray the mat. I get everything there. That logo, see if we can get that nice and clean as well. Let that sit for a second. We're gonna grab our brush and we're just gonna agitate everything we just sprayed. Now I can see I missed a little right here. Spray some more there. Just to get all this dirt and whatever, mud, funk, whatever you want to call it. Alright. Grab our microfiber and we're just going to go back and forth and pick everything up. If you want to make this look like new again, you can agitate with the bristles this part of the carpet, and that'll help bring it back to life in that area. You can see how dirty this mat was. And that's it. It's all nice and clean. As you could tell, my microfiber is all nice and dirty. So head on over to the website, pick up a bottle of tartar sauce and pick up an allspice microfiber and get sauced on your floor mats. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next one.